Okay, so we are just pulling into the beautiful town of Brooksville, Florida. This is about 15 miles west, or no, sorry, east. 15 miles east of the Gulf. So 15 miles away from the Gulf of Mexico, inland. Really cute country town. Big oak trees. Also, like the county seat or the capital of Hernando County. So, lots of farms and ranches out here. And also our favorite coffee place on the planet is here. And we were hoping they were open, but right there, Mountaineer Coffee, it looks like they are closed. Bummer. Oh, the best cafe con leche anywhere. Like,
I'm Cuban. I know my cafe con leche.
Yeah.
And that place have the best cafe con leche. Like.
Yes. I was trying to get the microphone to pick you up. So that's the courthouse. Really pretty historic buildings. This one's from 1915. So they're trying to bring back, revitalize this downtown area. And it looks nice. It's coming along. So we just came out here to see what the storm looks like out here, how people are preparing away from the coast, and we still see issues with no fuel. Gas stations have the gas pumps wrapped up, and there's a bit of diesel. You can find diesel, but just not gasoline, petro. So but there are some stores and breakfast places. Chick-fil-A was open on the way out here.
Dunkin' Donuts was open.
Dunkin' Donuts was open.
Chipotle was open.
Chipotle.
Jersey Mike's.
Yeah, but I see a lot of like travel trailers, and people are evacuating. I thought the roads would be a little bit quieter today, but maybe because the storm took a little bit of a jog south, people might be feeling a little more comfortable out here up north of Tampa. But yeah, we're just gonna take a spin through Brooksville and see what's going on out here.
There's a lot of trees here. So.
Yeah, a lot of big oak trees that.
If we have some high winds, it's gonna be some damage here. Probably with electric and houses. It's a lot of trees.
Yeah.
A lot of old trees.
And they fall on the power lines.
Mm-hmm.
And causes a lot of problems. So here you can see we're really high up. There's actually like over there in the distance a hillside. So it's like one of the very few hills in Florida. It's typically,
back there it look like mountains, but it's just trees.
Yeah. So they don't really have to worry too much in this Brooksville downtown area about flooding because they're high up. And the Withlacoochee River is far enough from here that there's probably not much concern about flooding, but definitely concerns about power outages and trees falling on their homes, trees blocking the roadways, access, things like that. Different concerns than where we were previously along the coast where it's major flooding. They didn't have hardly any damage out here from Helene. So they got lucky twice. Get those Sandhill cranes. You're passing them. It's not easy to film in the rain.
This is Brooksville Country Club.
It just got dark, like dark, like it feels like it's sunset time, like 7 o'clock or so, but it's only 11:58 noontime. So yeah, I think the storm is, or at least bands of it, are starting to come in. We're still out in Brooksville. We're turned around and we're heading back east toward the Gulf. But there's some beautiful country roads out here. It's a great area for motorcycles and just a country drive. Just the big, beautiful oak trees, and not a lot of traffic out here. But yeah, it got dark. Yeah, this is a nice country road here with the oak trees covering the road. It's a real cozy feeling. And most people think of Florida, they think of beaches and palm trees, and there's actually quite a bit of the state that is land and ranches and horses and country, and this is only 15 miles from the beach, so you can have both.
The rain is picking up too.
Yes, it is. It's getting darker. Rain is picking up. Less traffic on the road.
Hot still the sun.
It is. We're looking at this one. We checked it out. It's a fixer-upper, but nice piece of land. Really pretty trees. Needs a lot of work. We just got done fixing up a house in this area, so we're not sure if we're up for that yet, or if we want to build something new. So, but we really like this area and this section of the town. It's quite rural, quiet.
This is nice one here. Still a little rough.
Yeah, it's got a way to go, but the area is just very quiet, and the people are friendly and respectful, and it's a little kind of a different feeling than other parts of Florida or the city of Tampa. And with the way the growth is happening here, it's kind of refreshing, because then you know, well, at least it's probably 10 or 15 years before it gets here, hopefully. I don't know. It's just explosive, the growth in Florida, and the building and the construction. And so if you can find a place to kind of hide away, if that's what you're into, then
5 years, it's gonna be back.
Yeah, Spring Hill is already
Right.
really, really grown, and that's the next town over. But yeah, these trees in this storm, they're definitely gonna. We got our chainsaw ready.
Yeah. We're gonna
And-
drive by here after the storm. See, well, if we can.
But you've got a chain, and you
Yeah.
can pull limbs out of the road and chainsaw so we can get through. So that's. But definitely these old, heavy limbs will come down with 50-mile-an-hour winds, I think is what's forecast for Brooksville. And these trees probably haven't
Oh, this
had
is pretty here.
wind like that before.
Oh, this is a nice property.
It's beautiful. I love that. My gosh, it's so dark. It feels like it's nighttime at noon.
Trying to see. Oh,
Immerse Ministries, a church down there. There's a really nice farm up here for fresh vegetables too. I think we're a block off of it, but they have the best corn. Well, maybe not the best.
No.
The New York corn.
I brought the best corn from New York.
That was
Oh my
the
God.
best corn I've ever had. So maybe the second best corn is at this farm out here. And they have fresh produce, and you can buy fresh cheese and meat, and it's so nice to have that locally.
This is pretty here.
Yeah.
Motorcycle roads.
Yep, great area for motorcycles. There's a big meetup of motorcycles, usually on the weekends at the local gas station. I mean, I've seen like 30, 40 guys and motorcycles hanging out, chatting, and they all join up and ride these country roads together. It's a nice like kind of sense of community out here. And you're still, we're deep, we feel like we're deep in the country, but you're 5 minutes to all the major stores, your Walmart, Target, whatever you need, Home Depot, Lowe's. So it's a cool area. We really like it.
No Home Depot there.
Yeah, there's no Home Depot out here. That's right. The Home Depot is in Spring Hill. There's only a Lowe's. So Home Depot, if you're listening, you do well out here. But yeah, this is all land that I don't know if somebody owns all this land here or if it's designated for a different purpose, but it's really cool, all these trees. It's like a tree tunnel. I hope they don't fall too bad because this is really cool. Is that a... Oh. I thought that was a deer or something.
bear?
It's a stump. Oh, that's the walkway. So there's a bikeway, I think, that goes through here and connects the Suncoast Trail to the Withlacoochee Trail. It's a big, very popular biking trail that actually can take you to Orlando across the state. So, yeah, real pretty farming country area. I don't know if you ever been in a hurricane before and had a craving, but suddenly Mr. Ariel mentioned chicharron. So we came to Latino's meat market, but I think they might be closed. Oh, look at that. Trump won. All right, let's find another one. Okay. We are looking for chicharron. Ooh, yum. No, not that kind.
with those.
Oh, those are good. Yeah.
Those are good.
Yeah.
Wanna get some?
Yeah, but we don't have any marinade. We have to find some marinade for it.
¿Me puedes dar una costilla? 1 minute.
But do they have? Why don't we look around first? See what else they have.
Déjame.
Hmm?
So you want?
Hmm?
You want?
Well, let's see. Do they have chicharron? I smell. Hmm. Mm.
I don't have
Any fresh food?
any yuca.
Oh, yum. Oh, all the fresh food is gone. Okay. What? Oh my gosh. What do you do with that? I don't know how to cook that. I don't know if it's a cow or a pig.
Look like pig legs.
Okay.
Oh, chicharrón.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
But it's frozen.
I don't want to.
No. So they didn't have any fresh. It smells so good in here. I feel like they're hiding the food. It smells so good. So if you get those ribs, those short ribs, how do you want to cook them? Like, that's it? And what do you do? Put them on the grill? All right. Okay. It's not chicharron, but
No, it's the ribs. How you make it like.
I know, but I'm saying, are we still
You can also fry them like chicharrón.
craving chicharron or no?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, there's a drip. We got a leak.
It's gonna explode.
Yeah, no kidding. Mm-mm. That's the stuff that gives me a stomachache.
We got food. We don't have to get that.
Yeah, we have food. I was really wanting chicharron.
Right, me too.
Okay, let's keep hunting. Okay, so this is one example of storm preparation.
We never seen before.
We've never seen before up here.
Just show the weight.
Okay, so this is probably an effective prep here. Completely cover the plywood. Cover the glass with plywood. And then
You can also use pallets. Look what they did at the door. They use pallets.
I mean, you know, some 2x4s
What the hell?
nailed together in a pallet. What about up here on this window here? There's some other, you know, 2x4s. I don't know how effective that's going to be against wind busting through a window or people getting in, but
I like the pallet though.
it's an attempt. It's an attempt. Oh, these cuties. Sandhill cranes. Hey babies, you better find a safe place to go. Oh, that's probably where they live, over there. Okay, the rain is definitely picking up.
It is definitely.
It's
Home Depot is closed.
gray out. And Home Depot, these poor people finally get to go home and get a break from the madness. So yes, they are closed. They are closed up.
There is someone behind me. It's hoping the Home Depot is open.
Oh no, nobody. They're closed. Sorry, you missed it. Looks like people are camping out here though.
Is that the hot dog stand?
Oh yeah, that would be good. I could go for a hot dog. No, I think they're just camping out maybe, or maybe they're employees. Yep, they are.
There is many campers here. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, down
Yeah,
there
that
too.
one is staying there.
Oh, that's not a bad idea. I mean, if they let you. Oh, propane.
Interesting. This one is even hooked up to the electric.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's right there.
From California, plates. Okay. Maybe they got permission or something.
Yeah, I'm sure. That one too.
Alright. But yeah, the storm's coming in. It's a little bit after 1. It's supposed to start feeling the impacts at 2. So we were just kind of driving around looking for chicharron. And there's no chicharron open. This is Arapica. Small little like coastal fishing community between Hernando Beach and Hudson, I guess. And it is really low here. They got hit hard by Helene. I mean, you can see even, yeah, real hard. Got hit real hard. Oh, what a mess. And a lot of the houses are older Florida style, like Cracker Shack homes that they're not up to code, and
So sad because it's beautiful here.
it is. It's right on the Gulf, and like they do a lot of shrimping and crabbing and fishing here and sell in the fish market to the community. And then every now and then you have like a one-off big mansion because it is waterfront, and they do have beautiful views and sunsets here. So like this one here is right on the water, but built up. But you can see even now, just from rain. We haven't even started the hurricane, and there's rain in the street. And there's puddles. Like that truck just went through a deep puddle. So there were police at the beginning of this road. They let us come through. They didn't stop us, but they're likely going to shut this road down. You can even see here where that barricade is that it's washing out.
Oh, they're building something here new.
We wouldn't be back here if we didn't have a big, 4-wheel drive truck with plenty of gas. So,
nice property.
oh my goodness, that's going to be amazing when and if they can finish it. So really tiny town. I don't remember how many people live back here, but I think it's like probably less than 200, 300 people. And but this road during good weather, there'll be cars parked along it at sunset time, just pulled off to the side of the road, and people sit in their chairs and look out over this beautiful plain out to the sunset. Beautiful sunsets here. Not today. Yeah, the road is washed out, but farther down this road there's a couple bridges where people like to fish, and a little general store, and that's it. That's the town of Arapica. It's very small. Oof.
Oh, what a mess.
Yeah, so much damage. But yeah, the rain is definitely picking up. The roads are starting to get flooded, get water in them. I have to stay kind of in the middle of the road to keep from hydroplaning. And the wind is a little bit, not too much. You can see the trees here. The Australian pines are starting to blow a little bit. Palm trees starting to blow a little bit.
There's a bridge coming up.
Oy. Oh yeah, it's starting to get wet here. So that's the Arapika Stone Crab Company seafood market. They sell fresh catch right where the boats pull up, and you can get fresh fish. Super good, really nice. And oh wow, the water
Oh,
is
the wind is picking up. Look at the palms.
so high already. Be careful, don't get too close to the edge. This bridge, who knows? It just got whacked 2 weeks ago.
Look at the palms. It's really picking up.
Yeah, the wind is picking up. And here's another one of these towers, pilings that show you tropical storm is down at the bottom, and then category 2, category 3, category 4, category 5
by the light fixture there.
is up by the light fixture. So we're supposed to hit at a category 4, which is still pretty rough considering the size of this building, which is the size of most average houses here in Arapika. So they're gonna likely be underwater here.
Yeah, the wind is picking up a lot.
So
In the
that's
past 5
little
minutes.
general store. You can get a beer, a roadie there, and some snacks. Cute little town that is just often battered by the tough weather here. Oh yeah, already flooding. So we're gonna get out of here and back to the main road. And I hope everybody's gone, because this is not a good place to be during a hurricane. This is the second bridge. And that's the Gulf of Mexico straight out there. Still piles of trash from the last storm from Helene just a couple weeks ago. That's their little post office. So cute.
Look at all the trash. All is gonna be floating into the ocean.
Yeah, all of that into the Gulf and flying in the air. So not a good place to be outside here. So much trash. These poor people. I don't see many cars in the driveway, so that's good. It seems like everybody's gone. You gotta get in the mood?
Oh, it's already on.
Oh,
Oh, you did it? So we were sitting in the living room and we heard like a popping song,
yeah.
and then
Vibration from the roof.
some kind of from the roof, some kind of noise, and so I'm gonna go. It says right here, not a step. This is not a step, but I've been going to the gym lately, so
Oh my god, be careful. want this?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so it's a pretty new house. It was built in 2020, so everything looks pretty new. So I don't know if you guys can hear it. Let me see if I can get closer.
Okay. So it's the roof seam, the umbrella.
Yeah, I've recorded a little bit of that, but
I mean, what happens if it flies off?
I don't think it's gonna fly out.
Yeah. But
it's
we
dry. It's not wet or anything.
okay.
Um,
We probably got to get somebody to look at it.
it should